So I'm mid-project and mid-video when I realise I'm not going to be able to cut the thing, which I can't say, without a jig. So I start making a jig in earnest, and here's the beginning. And I'm planning on utilising this little clamp to hold my workpiece. And then I realise it won't work. What I really want is that side. And that's when I remembered a little purchase I made a while ago. Namely that of the MatchFit Dovetail Clamp Pro. Beautifully displayed in a lovely box. The inside's slightly disappointing. Only in as much as I expected there to be more. But I'm sure it's all there. So I'm going to use this for the first time to route some right-angled grooves in this board so that I can clamp a workpiece while I cut the angles that I require. And then we'll have a chat about it. See you in a min. I'm going to use this jig as a bit of a test for this system. So what I need is the ability to clamp a piece such as this onto this board so that I can cut a 22.5 degree bevel. So I'm thinking that I'll need a clamp right at the end here so that when I get down to the very last piece I can get the maximum out of it. However, I need to allow for the thickness of the chop saw. So let's scoot over there and see what size we need to leave. Allowing for the fact that that'll be there. I don't really want to come any closer than that. That's the line I need to route. While we're at it, let's do 3 so that I've got multiple pressure on this small piece when I get down to the end of the board. As you can see, we get this great little setup gauge so we can get the route bit at the perfect height. So this was the maximum travel I could get on my fence, but I'm not that far short of the line and I think it'll be okay. So I used the built-in clamp to keep the jig in place, lined up flush with the cut line so that I know it's nice and tight against the blade. So that's my jig fixed, and then using that as a guide I can slot my piece in, clamp, and we're all firmly in place and I get to keep my fingers. That is delightful. Insta-Jig. They should have called it Insta-Jig by Micro-Jig. Fantastic. In case you haven't picked it up from my voice, I'm a little excited. Beautiful. Well, my little jig is a raving success. I must be honest and admit to the fact that I've never had much time for jigs in the past. I always saw them as just something else to make, to delay finishing the thing I'm making, the project or the task that I had in front of me, and I never paid much time to them at all. But this kit has seriously changed my opinion of the benefits of jigs. There is a storage issue with jigs, obviously. The more you've got, the more storage room you need. And I don't have a lot of that, so I'll have to be mindful. But this is opening my eyes. If you're considering this Insta-Jig, do it. Spend the money. Get one. Play. Wow. Amazing. So thanks for watching this very impromptu video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was rather fun, actually. I'm sure you can tell I'm a little on the excited side. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Ta-ra. Oh, don't forget the subscribe-y, likey bit things in the bottom. Toodaloo.